Like seriously, mini pochette who? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well guys, and yeah, you're staying safe. And today's video is a little unboxing. It's from a brand called OROTON, if you're aware of it. So to anyone who's just tuned into the channel, or to anyone who is new to my channel, hello, my name is Kenny. I do these sort of videos, bag reviews, luxury unboxings, especially if you like these sort of videos or you are inclined to watch into these sort of videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button and the subscribe button to notify you of the videos that I make. And so let's get started. So to anyone who is not aware of the brand, OROTON is an Australian brand, and I did mention the brand in one of my videos before. And yeah, they, in my opinion, they kind of take inspiration from like trendy bags and designs of the moment, but I'm just loving what they have to offer these days. And when I saw this on one of their outlet stores online, I did purchase it online. I was so intrigued, and so I purchased a couple of these. Now this is not a bag, and yeah, let's open it up. It's actually an SLG. So you are familiar with this silhouette. It's quite trendy and popular at the moment, and I did have the mini pochette from Louis Vuitton before, but I did sell it. So yeah, the trend is just, you know, there's a resurgence of the pochettes, or the pochette trend. It's very 90s, but I think this is bigger than the mini pochette. I think this is like an in-between of the pochette accessoire and the mini pochette. So I got very intrigued because it's leather, and you know, it has a very similar silhouette to the mini pochette. But the mini pochette is almost $500, and this one retailed for 199 Australian dollars, and it was on sale for 50% off. So I got this for just under $100, I think $95 if I'm not mistaken. Then plus shipping, so that it's came maybe around $100 each, just under $100. So I'm so pleased and very impressed. It came with the dust bag, which looks fine. I'm very impressed with the packaging. I did not like put a video about that, but I'm very impressed. For, you know, a mid-range brand like this, I'm so impressed, seriously. And Daniel in the Antipodes, his YouTube channel name it was, he actually introduced me like with the brand. I tried to look into the brand, see what interests me. There are quite a lot of bags that have interested me, but they are currently sold out. I'm just waiting for them to come back, but yeah, just rambled there. But yeah, I'm very impressed with this. So yeah, that is what the bag looks like, or the pochette looks like. So it's actually called the OROTON Atlas wristlet. So this is not, this part here is detachable with that hook, so you just put it on the other side to make it a wristlet. So that is a good look. I'm just not a fan of this very shiny hardware. I think it cheapens the bag a little bit, but I'm not complaining that much for the price I have paid. See, I think that's what good in, you know, paying like luxury prices for things. You don't, the expectation is not too much. So yeah, it's just says OROTON there. It's even focusing. OROTON, established in 1938. Nice, okay. And I've seen like a few vintage bags from OROTON on eBay, so they are like maybe a heritage brand as well. So if you open it up, it's stuffing inside. Okay, so it has a slip pocket there. You know, at least there's something inside, like it's just not a big black hole in it. So how many slots? There's one slot, which, you know, you can put your most used card or whatever, and the lining is like a cotton twill, which I'm a bit anxious, but it's fine. I think you just need to be careful of what you put inside, make sure there's no spills or whatever. But as I've mentioned, for the price that I've paid, I will not to be too fuzzy, too precious with this item. I will use it as per usual, as any object. So the zipper pull is like this. It also has the branding engraved to it. It says OROTON, which feels substantial and looks expensive. And yeah, and just because I love it, that I have bought 2 of them. This, by the way, is in the cognac color. Yeah. So when I got these, I thought, oh my goodness, it would be a perfect idea to transform this into like the multi-pochette from Louis Vuitton. So I have a similar like color tone to it, strap, and then let's just attach that. And to anyone who's not, you know, like don't want to dip into the trend that much, or don't want to invest into the trend of the multi-pochettes, I think this is like a good like tester, just to see if you like the trend or not. You know, you can easily switch it back to usual function like a mini pochette, but you can use it as a bag. I think it looks good, especially with this strap hanging around it. It does make the bag pop a little bit more. I think this can work for more daytime looks and like than going out, because of the shade of brown or tan. But I love it because it's grained, so it doesn't scratch as easily as a smooth one, especially when you use it as a pouch in your bags. Which, yeah, originally that's what my original intention in purchasing this is, to use them as a pouch in my bag, just so I can have something to house my designer like wallets and card holders. And just because sometimes it stresses me out, like I don't know where I put my cards, where I put my lip gloss or my lip balm. So I got something just to grab on, and it has all my essentials. So yeah, I'm so pleased with this look. You know, it's a perfect travel bag. Like you can use it as your cosmetic pouch and then transform it into an evening bag when you don't want to carry your designer items. So I have the black one, which I think it's so chic. I love it a lot, especially against this. I was saying that I'm not too much of a fan of the shiny one, but it does make the bag pop a lot. I'm saying bag a lot because it does look like a bag now. But oh my gosh, it looks so chic. And these straps did not come with it. I just got my extra straps from my other bags. It did not. That does not look like, oh my gosh, love it. I'm so happy with this purchase. And yeah, this is it's also in the grained leather, and I did attach a thin strap to it as well. And for a black bag, I think this is the most versatile color, and you can use it especially through the day day and night. It's a perfect evening bag. If you don't want the crossbody, then detach it and use it like a shoulder bag, like that, you know, for the ladies. And top handle it if you wanted, grip of your arm, no issues. So yeah, I've actually used this already as a catch-all in my bag, work bag. So this is what it fits inside. I have got my lip balm, my Vuitton card holder, another card holder, and my AirPods. But if you want to put your phone inside, you could, but it will consume most of the space, and you could most probably fit another card holder to it. And there's still a few like space here in the edge. You can probably put a lipstick, maybe 2 lipsticks on the edge there if you want to push it. You can put your AirPods, but it's a tight no, it's fine. It zips up smoothly, and you know, the zip is so smooth. Like, you guys, I'm tempted to buy a lot of these, you know. I'm so impressed. Like, seriously, mini pochette who? I am loving it so much. Let me show that to you again. Oh yeah, by the way, this did come with a bigger sister of this if you want to do the whole multi-pochette look, but I'm just not a fan of that. I do recommend for my subbies starting out their collection and trying out, you know, testing out the waters in the luxury community. I think these like items are good starting points. And oh my gosh, this cognac color is fantastic. Love it too much. And thumbnail. Okay. I really suggest you guys try these. What my point of the video is that, you know, I'm not telling you to buy this exact item. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can see or discover around there. I am aware that excuse me, Coach has this version as well of the pochette, which comes with the strap, I believe. And yeah, you can do your own, you know. I'm not trying to tell you guys that this is what you should buy, you know. There's a lot of things out there. This is not a one-size-fits-all kind of video. You do you guys, and yeah, I am very impressed. I'm seriously impressed with this. If you're from Australia, I suggest you try their wallets maybe, or you know, go into the store, make like feel their bags, their leathers. And this is the first item that I got from the brand, and I'm very impressed, and I will certainly look forward for more pieces to add into my collection. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like the video, and yeah, I hope you're well, guys, and keep safe, and I'll catch you up on my next video. Stay safe, bye.